Look at that. Look at this. Try more work. Look at this. Oh my God.
So good.
Lovely.
So good.
Beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Akin and Jen.
Hey, hello. How y'all are doing?
Babe just got home from work, and I have chicken in the fridge for 2 days. I'm like, we need to cook this up. I was gonna fry it up just with some vegetables, and Babe said, "How about we make some pasta?"
Definitely, guys. I need to introduce myself. So, I just want to say a pleasant good afternoon to y'all. My name is Akin, and we're gonna do some jerk chicken pasta today.
Oh,
Jerk chicken pasta is on the menu, so y'all just stay tuned for it.
okay.
Because it's gonna be a banger.
I'm excited. So we got the water boiling. He's cleaning the chicken. And he asked me to stop by the store to get this, and now I know why. So we got some jerk chicken pasta. I'm excited. Jero's playing with his toys. You playing? What do you got to say to everybody? Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Say, hope everyone's doing fine.
I have a seat doing fine.
So yes, oh, spring is in the air right now, let me tell you. It is sunny, it is warm, it is hot, it is, oh my goodness. It was raining earlier today, but it cleared up nicely. So once we do the pasta, I will take this little boy out on his scooter. Yeah, he's got puzzles on the go, blocks. Oh, just loves his cars.
When skies are gray, you never notice how much I love you. Please don't s- my beautiful wife away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Guys, sorry I'm in my element. This is just me on a daily basis.
It's true. He's always
Just
singing.
doing some madness and singing some madness. So.
Always puts a smile on my face. You guys wonder why I have wrinkles? Okay, he's contributing to them because I can't help smiling and laughing, and this makes me have wrinkles. Between him and my atopic dermatitis, my skin is, yeah. It's so funny because when I was younger, flawless skin. Anyone that knew me growing up, my skin, I never had a pimple, never had acne, never had nothing. Now I'm 50 years old and Lord, face breaking out and atopic dermatitis. Yeah, but yeah, he keeps me smiling. Keeps me smiling.
Where's the pasta that I bought?
Oh, right up top, and you're really tall, so you can grab it. Way up tall. Way up. Reach right up, almost to the ceiling. So what all did you put so far? Garlic. All purpose.
Guys, remember jerk chicken pasta, so this is jerk. Traditional Jamaican jerk. Put some garlic powder. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Yes, some black pepper. I'm gonna put some all-purpose. This all I'm putting in my chicken. So this should do it. I'm storing this. Leave this to go and marinate. And then we're gonna work on our sauce.
So you washed it with vinegar, cut all the fat off it, and now season it. And we got the pasta in here boiling.
So this is my jerk chicken. Guys, I'm using Thai. Because this is what my wife has left over. I'm like,
Chicken thighs, yeah.
I'm gonna do something with them. Don't you worry, okay? So, you know, we'll just take what and make fashion. And some mommy grow up to do this. Take what and make fashion. So just look on the magic we're gonna create today. Stay tuned.
What does it mean when you say look upon fashion? What does that mean, or whatever you just said?
Take her and make fashion. So you don't murmur about it. You don't mourn about the situation.
Oh, okay.
You just learn to
work with it. Work with the flow, or
yeah, you just
go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Whatever you have, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whatever you have, you just go with the flow and make it work. So
right.
that's what we're doing today. We're making it work.
Making it work just a little longer. Making it work. Yeah. Okay. You put salt in the water.
Yeah, that's all I put in it. Guys, when you're cooking your pasta, ensure that it's salt. And not done like the sea. That's how you get nice pasta. You don't have to do much when you're seasoning it.
I put olive oil in there sometimes. Do you put any oil?
You can.
Yeah.
Like some Thai, them are going now. That is it.
The thighs are going in.
Thai, them are going to them things.
Garlic time. So you see how he's only doing 3 pieces, and he's going to do the rest later. You don't want to cook too much and crowd the pan too much. Pimento.
This is how we do it.
You got green onion and thyme and carrot and onion and garlic. Okay.
Yeah, this is how we do it, baby.
Watching and learning, watching and learning. The last time you made pasta salad, I don't even know if you knew this, babe, but it was gluten-free. You didn't even know, did you?
That's why he doesn't leave any in the fridge for me, right? Right. I make the salad and I come home every day, check in the fridge. None is there. My wife's gone with everything.
Me and Rogero ate it, to be honest. And my daughter Jessica had some too. She kept coming back for more. She loved it. I was like, you want a bite to try? Next thing you know, she's coming back, eating more. Then she comes back, eats some more, comes back, eats some more. Guys, let me tell you, it was good.
You know what? That makes me happy. You know, if I can take care of the family, that's all that matters to me. When the family can be happy, that's all that matters. You know, that's a great example to all young youth out there. Take care of the family first.
Right.
Everything else after can wait. Everything else after can come second. Family first. You understand?
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. Yeah, but this is not gluten-free, so that's okay. It's not like we have pasta all the time, guys. I've been eating salad. I cooked actually some of these thighs up the other night, and I had mixed vegetables with them when Babe was at work. And he brought home some leftover goosey, so while he had that, I had vegetables and chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your favorite food, babe?
My favorite food? Caesar salad and chicken wings.
Oh, you know what? I should have guessed that. I already knew that. My favorite is chicken wings too. I love chicken wings. Oh my goodness.
Guys, I got a story to tell you all. When I met my wife, right, the very first thing she said to me is, in food, I like chicken wings, but I don't like the drumstick
Oh,
part.
yeah.
I like the flats.
Yep.
You know, afterwards, when we were together, that's when I really realized that that's what she really loved. Because to be honest, this lady gave me all the drumsticks and she take all the flats. And I'm like, that's just not fair. you have to share them both, and she would never share them. Like, and I had to like put a stoppage to it. I'm like, no, you're not doing this. You're gonna share them. You understand? Yeah, I get tired of eating just the drumstick part of it. My wife, she doesn't care, man.
No.
She doesn't care.
Well, he likes both, right? So, but anyway, I was wrong. I agree. I admit it. I was wrong. But I do give him both. I make sure I give you flats now, babe.
Yeah, but a little bit of flats. Still
Just
not fair.
Yeah, maybe 3. And then I take the rest. He's like, he'll just roll his eyes and be like, whatever. We're 2 peas in a pod, though. But I mean, like, it's good because we like wings and he eats the drumstick and I eat the flats. So it works out well.
Well, you know what? You
And our
guys tell
favorite
me
meal
what-
is wings, so.
You guys tell me what's wrong with the drumstick part of it. It's still chicken. But baby's just like, you know what? I like the flats, so she sticks to that. So I'm like, okay, but the flats is actually better. But I just don't differentiate, you know?
I think it's because it's less work. Like you pull it apart and you just slide the chicken off it. Whereas the drumstick, you gotta, I don't know. I think that's why I like it better. I don't know. Who knows? And thighs are my favorite too. I love thighs. His favorite are breasts or ribs. You like the wings too, but my favorite is the thigh. Yep. What is you guys' favorite food? Tell us. Love to hear some, and I'd love to try some new things. So if there's something that you want us to try, let us know in the comments, and we'd love to try some new things. So the pasta's done. We've drained it. Dave's
Yeah,
just
I'm gonna work on the sauce now, guys.
Alright, just cutting up the veggies.
These are so flavorful.
They look it and they smell it, so I believe you.
Not even funny, man. These are so flavorful.
Okay.
I see it clear. Now you can have this too, so. I'll go try this soap. Why not don't peanut that outside, you know?
It's because it's hot and it's when you put a metal bowl on a hot burner, that's what it does.
Okay. Take it off. Well.
Alright, so now we're gonna make the sauce.
Yeah.
Alright.
Get me the both of them, maybe.
Get you the butter?
Yeah.
We're just gonna use margarine, eh? I got real butter too though.
Like, when you look on a stage, this are garlic, and this are onion. These are the 2 ingredients for pasta. I've been making it around for quite some time. So I'm going to show you today. Right and proper way. Backstory, this is the first dish I've learned to make in my younger stage of my career. The very first dish I've learned to make. So stay tuned. I'll bring you now. See what is what.
So you took a chef course in Jamaica, and this was your first dish you learned how to make?
No.
Oh, sorry. What then?
First dish I learned to make when we were on the line. Like when I was promoted to a line cook.
Oh.
This was the first dish I've learned to make.
Oh, okay, okay. At an actual restaurant.
Yeah.
Was it a Jamaican restaurant?
No, it was actually a hotel in Kingston,
hotel.
Jamaica. So.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was actually in kitchen long before I take a course, long before I go and get certified. So.
Oh, right. Okay, that makes sense.
So look, we're gonna saute this, and then we're gonna get some flour and make a roux. So we do it right. We will not do the oricon today. That's not what we're doing. We want flavor, right? So we're gonna add flavor to the dish.
What did you say we're not doing? I didn't understand what you
We're
said.
not doing the oricon up, so we're not moving fast. We're taking our time to show the viewers
Okay.
how we get it done. So this is scallion, right? We're going to take our time today.
And we're using what is in our fridge. So some of you guys might put bell peppers. We just happen to have no bell peppers right now. I didn't know I would have gotten some, but we're just, Babe's just using what we have in our fridge, in our cupboard. Yeah.
This is what this channel is all about.
Yeah. Improvising
Party.
and quick, easy, delicious meals.
So we'll add the flour, guys, because we're making a roux. So now we're gonna take our time and add the milk, little by little, right? Because we're going for a thick, nice texture. That's what we're going for. So little by little we're gonna add the milk, because we're going for a nice thick texture. And while we're doing that, we're cleaning our stove. Yeah. So this look like it need more, so we're gonna add more, right? Just to get it nice and creamy. So that's what we're going for. My team.
Looks like it's coming together.
Big up to everybody that connect with the Edwards family. We need a little spice too, so we'll add this.
That's chili pepper flakes.
Yeah. And we're gonna add more of this.
Okay.
Remember, we want it nice and creamy. That's what we're going for, right? And remember, y'all, it's jerk chicken pasta, so we're gonna add a little jerk to it.
I got a question. Do you guys keep your jerk seasoning in the cupboard or the fridge? What do you guys? Where do you guys keep it?
Keep mine in the cupboard.
Yeah, I do see that, but I think on it says to keep refrigerated. So what do you guys? What do all you guys do? You keep it in the cupboard or the fridge?
Yeah, you see the color slightly change because of the jerk seasoning, so that we're working with. We're gonna eat good tonight, baby girl.
We always eat good. Even if it's a healthy meal, we eat good. We're all about the flavor flav. If it's just vegetables, we're flavoring them up. Doesn't matter what you're cooking, you can make them taste good.
That's correct.
Mm-hmm.
That's correct, baby girl.
Just curious, when you were in school, did you guys learn to use different cutting boards for vegetables than the chicken?
Yeah, you have a different cutting board for every meat. So if it's fish, a different cutting board. If it's vegetable, a different cutting board. If it's red meat, if it's chicken, a different cutting board. I can really tell you, for chicken it was always yellow. For vegetable it was always green. For like seafood it was always white. For red meat it was like, for instance, if it's meat it's always red.
Okay.
Yeah, so like the color coding you can't mix, you understand?
So what do you think? Do you think I should buy some different color ones?
I just think you can do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course you can do that.
Okay.
Not a problem. Guys, so I'm gonna add the heavy cream to it now. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna add my carrot them. Not yet. I think I'm gonna add my cheese first to get my sauce the way I want it. I'm gonna add my cheese first. So look, it's Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna add it first. No, not like the cheese, right? So after we get this all right like this, then we start the ball and roll. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at this, my people. This is what we're going for. So that's finished, right? So let's go. So guys, this, what I'm gonna do now, the jerk chicken, bam, bam, put them in, right? Bam, 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 put them in, bam, 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 get them in there. Remember it's tight, so should be good, right? So get everything. This is the time now. If I had some white wine, I could sprinkle in it and it could prep up my taste.
We do have Chinese wine. Chinese white wine.
No, I need white wine, not Chinese wine. Yeah. So I'm gonna add my carrots now. Right, add my carrot. It doesn't hurt to add like the juice like the chicken spring, right? This is just gonna have flavor. So we're incorporating everything. Look at this now. This is when we're gonna add the pasta. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Right here now is when we're seasoning it. All that you want to put in your pasta to add flavor, that's what you're gonna do here. Alright. Look at that, man.
Beautiful. Lovely. Beautiful. See that? So now is when we're gonna add our cream. And then everything comes together now after this. Guys, you see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. Creamy. For all the pasta lovers, this is what we're working with. Creamy. Lovely. Beautiful. Look at that. Right? Right? This is what we're working with. So now this is the time we're going to add more cheese if we need it, right? So add a little bit more cheese. Add a little bit more cheese. And we're gonna add some parsley. And this is just to top everything off and give it the flavor we're looking for. Right? So that's what we're doing. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Tell me y'all don't want some of this. Send the address, my people. What's the finish? Look at that. Right? Jerk chicken pasta.
Yum.
That is it. Yeah. Beautiful. Lovely. So guys, we have some fresh parsley here. I'm gonna put it. You can't go wrong with some fresh parsley, right? I'm gonna sprinkle it. Look at that, man. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with some fresh parsley. That is it. See there, pasta. Chicken Alfredo, but we blend it and say jerk chicken Alfredo. Nice. Lovely. Alright. So guys, this is the moment of truth for the queen. You know the thing going on. You'll taste it to see what I go on. How is it, my baby? Look at it, look at it. Oh my God. Babe bite. Got babe bite. You're making me hungry. That is it.
Oh my gosh.
It's good.
Oh my god.
It's lovely.
It is so good. Like, trust me. I can taste every flavor in there.
Guys, you don't know the thing, you know, I share up a plate. You know, this is my tradition, so we should share up a plate. Look how creamy that is. Look how lovely that is. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. Creamy. You understand?
Oh my god.
If you never have fresh pasta, if you never have it yet, this is it. This is it. Jerk chicken pasta. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, baby, pour my parsley. Oh, lovely. Look at that.
Oh, it's sticking to my fingers.
Look at that. Lovely. That is it. Alright.
You try it?
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try my work. Look how that creamy and nice, man. Look at this. I'll try my work. You know, when I work today, I'm gonna eat nothing. So, man, look at this. Oh my god.
So good.
Lovely.
So good.
Beautiful. Got that.
So good.
Got this. Everything you can imagine. My jerk, chicken, pasta. Lovely. See, Dana share for you around the guys. Even when I turn off that, look how creamy that still is.
That's enough.
Even when I turn off that, right? Lovely, beautiful.
I'm gonna put some fresh Parmesan on mine. I mean, I got that one, but hold on. Let me get some fresh Parmesan.
Got that, guys. If
see.
y'all missing out, then
Ooh.
y'all missing out on this. No, oh my god,
Let me
creamy,
see.
beautiful. My babe love our fresh parsley.
Yeah. And I'll put a little of this one too. Parsley is good for getting rid of heavy metals in your body, eh? So good for you. Okay.
Yeah, this is the weather outside. See it there? That I eat it up. Yeah, man, I give thanks. You know the sun hot, but we are eat pasta. We're grateful and we are drink a grape. What is? Soft drink, bigger grape soda. Yeah, man, or a D&G. One of them, D&G soft drink. You know the style, you know. So I give God thanks and eat some pasta, you know. Good, good. Showing our next VI family. We're back indoor, you know. After a hard day of work and a successful day of cooking, Reggie's having his food. How is it, Babs?
Yeah.
It's good food?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see baby there. And I have to say much because see that she's soon done. That's it. Give her thanks. Hear that? So go and big up on yourself. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. But you know the vibe already, you know. That's it. You hear that and I'm out.
Ireland boss, and me I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?